Stuck in a timeshare you don't want? The Better Business Bureau took the tough questions consumers have about how to get out of a timeshare to the nation's leading experts at Newton Group. Get the answers you need to end your timeshare ownership. Click the link below to meet with the same experts the Better Business Bureau did.
You're doing a lot of work in this space, a lot of research. Tell us about the Consumer's Guide to Timeshare Exit.
Yeah, we're proud of that. Most places will offer some sort of download that usually equates to nothing more than a sales or marketing magazine for why
we all know there have been some bad actors in the timeshare exit industry. Some of these offer money back guarantees. You say your consumers shouldn't trust that guarantee though.
Yeah, unfortunately, many of these money back guarantees, they're just not worth the paper they're printed on. For example, over the past few years, there have been over 40 exit companies that have closed down or filed for bankruptcy. And almost all of those companies, misinformation, and just simply, honestly, bad advice exists coming from exit companies, news articles, bloggers, organizations. All well-meaning, I'm sure, but if these people knew what we know, I highly doubt they'd be so cavalier in their suggestion to timeshare owners to just simply stop making payments on legally binding contracts, or even